Hello everyone, welcome back to Tabassum English Hub. Today is day 14 of our 30 days spoken English challenge. Today's class is going to be different. No boring grammar, no difficult rules. Today we are going to become English speakers, observers and storytellers. I'll show you pictures. Your job is simple. Look carefully, think in English, speak in English. By the end of this class, you will be able to describe any picture confidently. Ready? Let's start the challenge. Activity 1. Look at this picture. What can you see? Don't worry about perfect English. Just observe. Let's speak together. I can see a beautiful park where a boy is playing football, a girl is riding a bicycle, some children are running, a man is walking, a woman is talking on the phone, birds are flying in the sky, people are enjoying the weather. Excellent. Now try adding one more sentence of your own. Did you notice something? Most of our sentences followed one simple pattern. A boy is playing football, a girl is riding a bicycle, children are running, a woman is talking on the phone. Whenever an action is happening right now, we use the rule subject plus either am, is or are plus verb plus ing. For example, I am learning English. She is cooking food. They are playing football. That's the secret behind picture description. Okay. Activity 2. Imagine a classroom. Look carefully. What is happening? Students are sitting on their chairs. A teacher is teaching. Some students are writing notes. One student is answering a question. Everyone is learning. Now your turn. Can you describe two more things? Let's ready for the next activity. Imagine a busy market. Speak with me. Many people are shopping. A shopkeeper is selling vegetables. A woman is buying fruits. Children are walking with their parents. Some people are talking. The market looks busy. Can you add one sentence? Now spot the action. Here's a quick challenge for you. I'll say a picture, you tell me the action. Picture 1. A boy with a book. Answer, he is reading. Picture 2. A girl with headphones. Response, she is listening to music. Next picture, a man with a laptop. Answer, he is working. Picture 4. Children with a football. Answer, they are playing football. Very good. Next activity number 5. Now imagine you are a news reporter. You are reporting live from a park. Speak like this. Good evening everyone. I am standing in a beautiful park. Children are playing. People are walking. Some families are sitting on benches. The weather is pleasant. Everyone looks happy. Wow, you are speaking English like a reporter. Activity 6. Let's become detectives. Look at the picture carefully. Find 5 things. Answer these questions. Who is running? Who is talking? Who is walking? Who is playing? Who is smiling? Observe first, then speak. This improves your English thinking skills. Activity 7. Now don't stop. Speak continuously for 1 minute. Describe any picture around you. Maybe a park, maybe your classroom, maybe your home. Example, I can see my living room. My mother is watching TV. My father is reading a newspaper. My brother is using his phone. The room looks clean. Everyone is busy. Keep speaking. Don't worry about mistakes. Today's challenge: open your mobile gallery, choose any photo, describe it in English for 1 minute. This is exactly how real English speakers improve. So, learners, excellent work. Today, you learned a powerful speaking skill. When you describe pictures, you learn vocabulary, sentence building, observation, confidence, and fluency together. From today, don't just look at pictures, speak about them. The more you describe, the more fluent you become. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and keep learning with Tabassum English Hub.